Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to send data to Google Sheets in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Before we start, first, you need to create a Google Sheet with headers like these. These headers will be the identifying factors of nerDigital Chatbot Marketing on what data to send to your Google Sheet. Second, make sure that you have your Google Sheet integrated with nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Third, you need to understand that to be able to send data to any Google Sheet, you need to get users' data first. To do that, you need to create a flow that gets users' data. You can also watch that in our tutorial guide. In this example, we already have a simple flow asking for users' data. To start sending data to your Google Sheets, add an action block. Now, click Add Content, select Actions, then Google Sheets. Then, select Send Data. From here, connect your spreadsheet and the worksheet you want to use. And then, match the custom fields on the left with the ones on the right. These items on the right are the columns you have from your Google Sheet. If you want to learn how custom fields work, please check our tutorial guide. Once you're done matching, please click Save. Alright, it's time to preview and test. There you have it. We just sent the user's data to a Google Sheet. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.